Elderly green card holders, especially from South Asian communities, are facing increasing scrutiny at US airports. Reports suggest that Customs and Border Protection officers are pressuring them to sign Form I-407, which voluntarily surrenders their lawful permanent resident status. Typically, green card holders who stay outside the US for over 180 days are subject to readmission checks, but now even those returning from shorter trips are facing tough questioning. We are seeing cases where CBP officers at port of entry pressure elderly travelers to sign Form I-407. If they refuse, they are threatened with detention or deportation. This is concerning because signing the form means giving up their green card voluntarily, and they are not legally required to do so. Experts urge green card holders to avoid signing any documents at the airport without consulting an attorney. They should also carry proof of their US ties, such as tax returns, property documents, and employment records. Immigration advocates stress that CBP officers cannot revoke a green card, only a court can. If confronted, travelers should ask to speak with an attorney and never sign under pressure. For now, legal experts urge vigilance and preparation for those re-entering the US.